Hey everyone! Imagine having a laptop that's not just a laptop, but a versatile powerhouse ready to adapt to your every need. Meet the HP Envy X360 2-in-1 laptop, here to conquer your workday with built-in AI processing power for enhanced battery life and seamless multitasking. Why is it so exciting? Let's dive in. First up, the transformative design. Flip it, fold it, and turn it into a tablet. The HP Envy's 360-degree hinge lets you switch from a laptop to a tablet in seconds. Perfect for those moments when you need to sketch something in paint, take notes using OneNote, or just switch your brain off with some cloud gaming using your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and wireless Xbox controller using the seamless Bluetooth connection. Power-packed performance. With the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, this machine is a beast. Whether you're multitasking like a pro with Microsoft 365 or diving into some heavy-duty creative work, the Envy X360 handles it all with ease. Feast your eyes on a stunning display. The 14-inch high-resolution touchscreen offers crisp visuals, vivid colors, making everything from spreadsheets on Excel to streaming videos or cloud gaming look absolutely stunning. The X360 uses DC dimming technology that controls brightness by adjusting direct current rather than cycling the backlight. Using this technology, the HP Envy will eliminate screen flickering for a more comfortable viewing experience. And it's smart, really smart. With built-in AI, it optimizes performance, enhances battery life, and even helps with eye contact during video calls. It's like having a camera crew right inside your laptop. Feel good about your tech choices. The Envy X360 is made with recycled materials and is Energy Star certified, so it's kind to the planet while being kind to you. HP have included recycled content into over 95% of new PCs and displays since 2020. And those stats speak for themselves, with approximately 50% of recycled plastics found in components of the PC, such as speaker boxes, bottom covers, bezels, and keyboard caps. Stay connected with a plethora of ports, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6E, you can get blazing fast internet speeds for all your online activities. The HP Envy X360 2-in-1 is not just a laptop, it's your ultimate tech companion, ready to tackle anything you throw at it with style and efficiency. Ready to transform your tech game? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my HP Envy review. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more awesome tech content coming your way.